Good morning, boys and girls. Let's begin with calendar and weather. But first off, we need to count our days. Take a look here. Here are our tally marks. Let's see if we can count how many days we've been learning from home. Let's add a new tally mark. Ooh, that was a very straight line. Let's see if we can count them. 5, 6, 7. We've been in school at home for 7 days. Also, boys and girls, look at this tray of work that Mrs. Grubin has. It's awesome work. First off, look at all of my friends who turned in their attendance charts. I see a lot of you have been working at home very hard with dot to dots and with your counting and with your alphabet sounds and reading Bible stories. That is wonderful, boys and girls. Thank you. Thank you for working so hard with your attendance charts. And you'll notice I gave you a new one in your packet, and it has some jobs like before that are the same, and I added some new ones too. I want you to practice even your hopping, skipping, and jumping, and galloping, okay? So have fun with your new attendance chart. And then the next time we turn them in, I hope to see everyone's back with your parent's signature on it, okay? And look at all of these wonderful papers that you turned in. I get to look at all of them and see your great work. And I hope to give a sticker to every friend. Good job, boys and girls. Keep doing your best, okay? With your coloring, with your writing, with your dot to dots. Thank you. Boys and girls, let's begin our day with Let Me Learn of Jesus. Let's fold our hands and sing together. Let me learn of Jesus, he is kind to me. Once he died to save me, nailed upon a tree. When I go to Jesus, he will hear me pray. Make me pure and holy, take my sins away. Let's look at our calendar now. Boys and girls, we're in the month of April. Let's spell April. Ready? A-P-R-I-L. And here we see it over on our monthly chart. Let's spell it again. A-P-R-I-L. And remember yesterday we learned the poem, April showers bring May flowers. Boys and girls, I think we might have a shower a little bit later on today, okay? That'll wake up our flowers to be beautiful in May. Okay, boys and girls, come, let's sing our days of the week. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. And is 8 going to be a green apple or red apple? That's right, a red apple. Let's say our pattern. Green apple, red apple, red apple, green apple, red apple, red apple. And we already see our pattern continuing because we have our special days coming up. Boys and girls, tomorrow is Maundy Thursday. And you can go to Maundy Thursday Church on the computer and worship like we all are, right from our home, okay? And then the next day is Good Friday. And you can go to church on the computer as well, again, for Good Friday. That's a very special service, and I'd like you to do that. And then 1, 2, 3 days later, we celebrate Easter, the day that Jesus rose from the dead. He won over sin, he won over death, he won over the devil, because he loves you and me so very much. And then 2 days later, we'll celebrate Brantley's birthday, okay? Now, boys and girls, I'm wondering if I can show you a picture of something that reminds me of Maundy Thursday. I took a picture and I want you to tell me where I took it at, okay? Take a look. Boys and girls, can you tell? Where did I take that picture? Yes, it's in front of church. It's in front of church, and it shows Jesus with his 12 disciples sharing the Last Supper, where he gave his body and his blood in forgiveness for our sins. That's pretty great, isn't it? I hope we can get back to school and really go to our church and get to see that beautiful altar that shows the Last Supper with Jesus and his disciples. Boys and girls, let's follow my finger here. Brrr. Wednesday. Wednesday with a W. Whoop, whoop, Wednesday. And if today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. Listen to my sentence. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Say that with me. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Now, boys and girls, let's see if we can do our rhyming board. Take a look here. I have some rhyming pictures. Can you guess what they are? Can you see what this is? What little critter is that? Snail. What sounds like snail and looks like that? Snail. Pail. We'd want to say snail bucket, but they don't rhyme, do they? No. We have to always think of words that sound alike at the end. Now let's do these rhyming words. This is a house. What rhymes with house and looks like this? Of course, mouse. Let's say all four together. Snail, pail, house, mouse. Let's see if you can come up with another rhyming word. Let's say mop. What rhymes with mop? Crop, top. Yeah, they rhyme as well. Very good, boys and girls. Now, let's take a look at our weather. It is a sunny day. We had some sun yesterday too, didn't we? And boys and girls, our weather is getting warmer and warmer every day, which is wonderful. I hope a lot of you are going for walks and playing in your backyard. Okay, let's spell sunny. Sunny begins with an S. What comes after S? U. What comes after U? N. What comes after N? Another N. How are we going to turn sun into sunny? Add a Y. Very good. Let's sing the sunny song. There was a day that it was bright and sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. And temperature. Let's say this number together. It has a 4 and a 9. 49 degrees. Come on over. Let's take a look. In fact, boys and girls, this would be a good time for you to have these papers with you. You should have your number chart with you that you brought home in your packet, and your Pete the Cat number chart. And let's make sure you also have your book of 11 with you too. Also, boys and girls, you'll need your dry erase marker and that preschool pencil I sent home. Can you find all those supplies? If you need to, just pause the video and get your supplies and come on back. Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look here. I'm going to open up my marker. And we're going to circle 49. Let's go down to the 40s row. Ones, teens, 20s, 30s, 40, 49 is our temperature. 49. Did you find 49? Let's circle it. 49. Very good. Boys and girls, before we figure out our thermometer, let's take a look at some numbers that I covered up. Okay? Let's first start with this one right here. Can we figure out which number did we cover up? Look on your chart and see what number did I cover up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, let's circle it. Now let's go down to this one. Let's see if we can figure it out. This is the ones row, teens, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. If this is 82, this must be 81. What do you notice about 81 and 18? They both have a 1 and an 8. The 1 comes first, the 1 comes second. The 8 comes second, the 8 comes first. Say this number, 18. Say this number, 81. Now tell me, what is the other number I covered up, boys and girls? Can you figure it out? You're right, it is the last number on our hundreds chart. It is 100. Can you circle 100? Very good. Now let's come on over here and mark our thermometer. Let's see, 49 comes between 40 and 50. Do you think 49 is closer to 40 or 50? 48, 49, 50. It's closer to 50. Look at that. God's giving us warmer weather as we begin springtime. There, our thermometer tells us 49 degrees. Now, boys and girls, come on over here. Let's take a look at our Pete the Cat number chart. What is our number this week? That's right, 11. Can you open up your markers? And let's complete our Pete the Cat number chart. 11. Now, boys and girls, let's see if we can write the word 11. Whose name looks kind of like 11? Evelyn, right. So Evelyn F and Evelyn C are going to have an easy time writing 11. Here we go. Capital E, L, E, V, E, N. Did you just write 11 too? Does your word 11 look like mine? I hope you're keeping all your letters inside the rectangle writing box. Now, let's make our 11 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we done? Keep going. What comes after 8? 9, 10. Are we done? Nope, keep going. 11. Very good. Now let's show our 11 tally marks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I do with number 5? That's right, I cross it out. Cross out my first bundle. There's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's make another group of 5. 10. Am I done? Add one more. 11. Let's count our tally marks. 5, 10, 11. Now let's find 11 on our number chart. There it is. Very good. And what number comes before 11? 10. What number comes after 11? 12. Very good. Do you remember how we made up a song? So we'd have a number song for 11, just like we have a number song for 1 through 10. Let's see if we can sing it. Come straight down and do it again. Come straight down and do it again. Come straight down and do it again. That's how we write the number 11. Now, boys and girls, I want you to find your number 11 book. And remember, just like when we did this at school, it's a pencil book. So just use your preschool pencil and complete each page. First, you write your name on the front, just like you write your name on all of your papers. And we're not going to do any coloring. We're doing all writing. Here, I'd like you to trace your 11. Sing the song if you want. And then I want you to count the owls and tell me how many owls you see by putting the number in the blank. Then I want you to draw 11 balloons. Do they all need to be the same size? No. They can be different sizes, but don't forget the string or they'll blow away. Next, I want you to trace the word 11. Once, twice. Remember, do we start our letters at the top? Of course we do. Now it says color in the dogs. I'm going to have you circle. You circle the dogs because we're not using crayons. We're just using our pencils. Circle 11 dogs. And then I want you to count the dogs and circle the group that shows 11. And then on the last page, I want you to go on a number 11 hunt. And you should find 10 11s on this page. Circle them. And then, boys and girls, when you're done, make sure you put this back in your packet so that it can come back to school on our next pickup day and I can see your great work. Thanks. See you soon.